Hi everybody, I am Divya Ganesh. I have completed my Electronics and Communication Engineering from Sri Saram Engineering College and I am from 2020 batch. I, along with my teammates, are here to share our first international conference experience to you all.
Hello everyone, I'm Gayatri from Sri Sairam Engineering College. Currently, I'm pursuing my BE Electronics and Communication Engineering and I'm on my final year right now. It's been 3 years since I have joined Sairam and now I'm very glad to share some of my experiences, whichever I had while presenting my very first paper at the international conference, which is held at Singapore.
Hi, I am Bharatwaj, pursuing my final year ECE at Sri Saram Engineering College. I take immense pleasure and pride in sharing my experience by presenting our paper titled in the 4th International Conference on Contemporary Computing and Informatics held at Amity Global Institute, Singapore on December 2019.
Ajita IoT is the first opportunity that we have entangled where we got to present ourselves as an eminent speaker and then we have equipped ourselves with the public speaking skills after interacting with the various field experts who had arrived at the conference.
The initial spark for the idea was from my teammate Balasubramaniam, who rides his bike a lot. He found that the indicators were not used properly and the impact of false indications leading to accidents. So, after some research, we presented our paper in the IETE Zonal Conference held at our college premises and we got valuable feedbacks from the panel members and was awarded the best paper of the session. And this gathered the attention among the staff members and the management. And it was our staff, Dr. S. Sumati ma'am, who called us and informed us about the international conference that is going to be held at Singapore. It was to Dr. S. Sumati ma'am that we got to know and had an opportunity to work with Dr. S. Mithilesh sir, who helped us in refining our idea. And once we got our paper ready, we submitted it, registered ourselves in the international conference.
Once registered, we started to get everything ready for documents concerned such as visas, air tickets, etc. The most difficult part in our entire journey is the hotel room booking. That experience was entirely new to us. In that way, we felt extremely lucky because one of our college alumni is working in Singapore. He helped us a lot in hotel room booking by inquiring in person to each hotel for our stay. And at last, once everything is done, with the wishes and encouragement from the Sairam family and our friends, we started to leave Chennai on 12th December early morning. I was quite excited because I have never been to any kinds of abroad since my childhood, and that feel at that moment is really awesome.
We landed at Singapore at 1 pm and our alumni, Mr. Guru Prasad, was there to receive us. He helped us in reaching the hotel as well as the Amity Global Institute. The system at Singapore was completely different from the Indian system, and it was all because of our alumni who were able to reach the Amity Global Institute in time. We were provided the slot for our presentation, and hence the nervousness and the excitement level started to increase. With mixed emotions, we started our presentation, and once we sank in, it was easy and clear for both of us to deliver our presentation. We were asked several questions by the panelists, but thanks to our mentors and the management who gave us an idea of how the questions would be.
After the presentation, we had a chance to interact with several of the participants from various countries. They gave their valuable suggestions for our paper to be even more refined. We also had a chance to attend a presentation presented by one of our panelists, Mr. Mukundan Rajan and Mr. Kiran Nayak, lead of technology and innovation at IBM Bengaluru. The entire evening that we spent at Amity Global Institute was a treat for our brains as we were able to gather a lot of information from several of the experts in their respective field. The next day we had an opportunity to attend presentation of other fellow participants in the conference. We got an opportunity to interact with the session chairs and organizers of the conference and it turned to be the best opportunity for us.
And another interesting thing is that we met a PG student and her name is Mehta from the University of Mumbai. She told us that she had presented the same version of her paper but with some different features in the conference, and while hearing that, it made us more happier and even surprised us a lot.
Apart from the day of presentation, we stayed at Singapore for an additional 4 days, where we had the opportunity to talk to some of Dr. Sumati Map's friends from Emerson Solution and from National University of Singapore. All of them were so kind as they made themselves available to spend their valuable time in helping us to get to know more about the opportunities that are available in their respective fields.
educational trip to the next level, we were given an opportunity to attend the workshop organized by AA Singapore, which was titled AA for Everyone. It was held in Innovation 4.0 block at National University of Singapore, NQS. This workshop covered topics like machine learning, deep learning, data analytics, and the use of these in various fields. As our project was related to artificial intelligence, this workshop was an added boon to us.
This session also consisted of various topics related to data analytics using Microsoft Azure. The hands-on session in the workshop gave us an idea of general process building using Azure platform, which was a very fruitful experience.
After the session, we had an interactive session with Dr. Kritika ma'am, who was working at the NUS. We had a career counseling session with her, and she discussed regarding the higher studies at the NUS and the scholarships offered by them. She even discussed the future scope of MBA and MS in NUS, and it turned out to be a best session during our journey.
Not to forget, we also had an open interactive session with Mr. Satikan, General Manager at Emerson Automation Solutions, Singapore. He gave us an overall view about the automation process, and also he shared his knowledge and experience in various other fields that he worked on.
He gave an eye-opening talk for building the career in automation domain. He was with us the whole day till evening for this and was very patient enough to clear all our doubts regarding the automation process and career building. Along with this educational trip, we also had our time to explore the beautiful places present in Singapore.
Also, we had a meet with Mr. Palani Shankar, Director Projects at Emerson Automation Solutions, Singapore, before we were about to fly back to India. We had a little discussion about the future plans and goals that each of us had.
The same evening, we boarded our flights and we returned back to India in 17 December 2019.
We then returned back to college on 18th December, and as a token of appreciation, we received wishes from several of our staffs, student friends, and the management for successfully presenting our paper at the international conference.
We also got a chance to interact with our CEO, Shri Sai Prakash Leomuthu sir, to share our experience regarding the entire journey. We also got an opportunity to tell our student friends regarding the entire experience at Singapore and the stages that we have gone through for this selection. To top it off, our management was so generous to provide us a grant which covered up to 50% of the total expenses that we have made during our Singapore trip. If it was not the management, we would not have been given this opportunity. We thank the management from the bottom of our heart for giving us this wonderful opportunity and constantly encouraging us and motivating many students like us to take up this international conference.
If it was not for the management, this would not have been possible, and we will always ever be grateful for that.
Thank you, Sairam.